Hi everyone. I don't know how to do intro today, so it's in my house only. So good. Today I'm gonna chat to you guys about how to do about migraine and those who are having migraine, how to relieve them. So how are we gonna do it? Let's check it out. Oh, before that, be sure to hit the like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm sharing. Without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, so good. So for this one, particularly, it may or may not work. Just let your guys know, it may or may not work for your migraine problem because different types of migraines have different way of relieving. So what I'm going to teach you here is just three that works for most of it. Maybe some of it, maybe in the other days, more specific to that type of migraine, because migraine, it could be caused from neck, it could be caused from your internal organs, or it could be caused from your stress, it could be caused from your, keep on tightening up. Some people keep on facing computer. So different types of scenarios will affect different types of migraine. So I just let you guys know first, if it doesn't work, don't worry. Maybe in the future I will share, or you can just find someone who is doing like me, or maybe you can find me to do some twisting, and then I can help you, tell you which one would help you more and much more benefit for you. Okay, so that I hope that one clears up some misunderstandings. Okay, so first thing first, normally what you can do for yourself when you are having migraine. So when you know, like we wash hair, so you grip here on your whole head. What you're doing is that you don't press inside. Okay, most of the time people press inside. What you need to do is that you need to move this what we call it, the skin. So you see, like my hand, what you're doing here, this is an example, this is on my head surface. What you're doing is just turning like this. Okay, it doesn't matter what direction first, and don't be so anal with it. Most important thing is just move it. So wherever you feel the pain, like here, just turn, and you press and you turn. As you're pressing this, actually what you are trying to do here is that you do not want that thing to be stuck there. And most of the time migraine happens because of some things are stuck in here. It's the energy flow. So what you're doing here is to ease that energy flow so that it will be easier to move. So sometimes stuck also may also have migraine. That will be one. So you just massage. Okay. Two, this one is very effective. So what you do is, normally even I myself have migraine, so what I would do is that here, these two part here, you see this what we call that, the nostrils, and then here is where the 90 degree, like, okay, let's say this is a 90 degree, you go in like 45 degree in that direction. So what you do, using your these two thumb, and then you press inside, and then you push front back. Front back is like 1 2 3. So you just press deep inside, push inside, and breathe in, and then out. You just push to the front, push to the front. Normally this is what I would do, that to relieve the migraine, because I know that I have some air around my stomach. That is where it always tackles. Different people got different part of where it tackles. For me, that is where it always tackles. So these are one way for me to release myself. So once I release it, then I'm okay. Okay, so you do it for maybe how many times? Do it until you feel relief, but not too much, yeah. That may be too much. What you need to do, maybe roughly around maybe 10 to 20, not too much, because the more I scare you rub too much, a little inflammation. So but some people really need to rub that much, so depending on people. So who knows how much is much for you. So why not you just try it out, because since you are in pain already, why not you just do it also? Even though you feel pain also, it's okay, because you are in pain already. At least do something to help yourself. No need to worry so much about how much you need to do, because different people, it's like same thing. If you go and eat, some people can eat more, some people can eat less to satisfy their hunger, right? So different people got different, like appetite and all those things. So same goes for this. Some people maybe need more, some people maybe need less. If come to me, how do I know? By experience. I only can say like that. So yeah, that would be two. The third one would be on your here. Normally you see like they tell you to press, right? Then you just press here, press here. To be more specific, you find where this part here and these two, what we call that, the bones, you find the middle part here. Now middle part here is not pressing here, no, it is where this is the bone, yeah, you push under here. Now where I learned this is from acupuncture point, okay? So this is where normally the acupuncture, most commonly for every type, or most of the time they would acupuncture here. So this is very one important point. So what you can do, this one here in between here, and you put in between here, so under the bone. So you just press deep inside, and remember, most of the time people just press like this, okay? This is the bone, yeah? What you need to do is just dig inside here, and when you reach that part, and then you press like this. Or if you have something why did I do that? Okay, if you have something that is not so sharp, again, not so sharp, then you do roughly around here, half ready. So you see, normally people push it down, okay? So I would normally just push down and then push inside. So basically over there, and then you press, okay? Just press, and you just turn. So if you're having migraine on the left side, then you press on the right hand. Okay, if you have migraine on the right side, you press on the left hand. If it doesn't work and in one hand, just do it both sides, okay? Just to be safe, okay? This will be the 3 things that you can do for yourself if you are having migraine, okay? So let me know down in the comment below what kind of migraine you are feeling, and then how do you feel it, and then where does it pain, okay? Because like I said, different part has different way of treating it. So yeah, that will be it. And also, if let's say you paint this part and then you do where that you feel much more effective, yeah, you can share down in the comment down below, so that not only you yourself can relieve yourself, the community here that I'm building that also can learn from there together. So I hope that share today may help you guys, because I realized that after I share so many things, I haven't shared migraine before, which is the most people's struggles in their daily life. Some people maybe lost their job because of this, some people cannot study because of this. So I really hope that it helped you guys, and please be sure to get in touch with me, communicate with me if you need my help. I'll try my very best. If you cannot come and find me, I'll try my very best to teach through this camera, okay? So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. Thank you for the support, and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm sharing. And maybe in future, who knows, maybe I share about your questions. So also, I'm also doing a sharing on live on YouTube of on this 15th of December 2020. So be sure to stay tuned, and it's around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I can't remember what's the exact time I post in Instagram. I think it's 7 or 8. So yeah, so if you have any questions that you want to ask me, and then you want me to answer, or you want me to share in the live, please be sure to comment here, or you can private message me if you feel shy. Private message me and tell me all your everythings, and I will take it as a topic. I will share it on the 15th December. Is it 15th December? So good. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. So sorry today a little bit in this small space, my workplace, and today now is actually night already. So been whole day. So good. I hope it helped you guys, and I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. Bye bye.